Welcome back, creators. We're at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest-rated portable inverter generators. The majority of our daily activities in the modern world are entirely dependent on electricity. This is the reality we face every day, and the unfortunate result is that most of our activities will come to a halt if there is a power outage, whether due to a mechanical failure or weather. However, you can easily avoid such disasters and keep your appliances and gadgets running even in a blackout if you have a nice working inverter generator. These generators provide backup power to keep your electronics and appliances functioning at all times. In this video, join us as we browse through the top 7 portable inverter generators in the market. And don't forget to take your pick at the end. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the portable inverter generators that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first portable inverter generator on our list is the Westinghouse Portable Inverter Generator. The Westinghouse Portable Inverter Generator is a high-quality power solution for camping or on the go. It's perfect for recreational activities or as a backup power supply with a TD30R RV-ready outlet, two 20-ampere domestic outlets, and built-in USB ports. As for the size, it measures 24.5 by 17.5 by 20 inches and weighs 104.7 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Westinghouse Portable Inverter Generator a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: variable engine speed. It has a variable engine speed that produces only the power you need at any given time for maximum fuel efficiency. Push-button electric start and wireless remote start. The inverter generator is conveniently built with a push-button electric start and a wireless remote start for easy ignition. Traditional recoil start. It can be started using a traditional recoil start, which increases beginning consistency. Remote start key fob. A remote start key fob allows you to start and stop your generator from distances up to 260 feet away. Parallel ports. It includes parallel ports that allow you to connect to another compatible Westinghouse inverter generator. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the Westinghouse parallel port is sold separately. The second portable inverter generator on our list is the Champion Power Equipment Portable Inverter Generator. The Champion Power Equipment Portable Inverter Generator is the perfect combination of versatility and convenience, whether you need power for your home, RV, or project. It exclusively provides clean power so you can connect your delicate equipment with confidence. In terms of size, it measures 23.2 by 17.7 by 20.1 inches and weighs 97 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Champion Power Equipment Portable Inverter Generator a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 0.6 quart oil capacity. This inverter has a 0.6 quart oil capacity to accommodate your needs. Smart Economy Mode. It has a Smart Economy mode that reduces the electrical demand and makes the machine quieter. Optional Parallel Kit. The Optional Parallel Kit provides a fast clip-on connection that allows you to connect up to 2 3,000-watt or greater inverters to improve output. Never flat tires and fold-down handles. It includes never flat tires and a fold-down handle, making transportation a breeze. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it needs plumbing instructions or hardware to feed directly from the RV propane system. The third portable inverter generator on our list is the GENMAX Portable Inverter Generator. Outdoor sports aficionados will surely like the GENMAX Portable Inverter Generator, which is intended for a variety of outdoor celebrations. It can effectively supply the consistent electricity you need for weekends in the woods, outdoor picnics, and parties without disturbing neighbors or wildlife. As for the size, it measures 18.8 by 11.4 by 17.3 inches and weighs 41.8 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the GENMAX Portable Inverter Generator a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: pure sine wave inverter. It makes use of a pure sine wave inverter to produce clean, reliable electricity. Optional parallel kit. The optional parallel kit allows you to connect this inverter to another GENMAX inverter of 2,200 watts or more to double your output power. Sturdy handle. It includes a sturdy handle that makes carrying it over long distances easy. Eco mode. The inverter generator incorporates an eco mode for energy conservation and optimal fuel economy. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the optional parallel kit is sold separately. The fourth portable inverter generator on our list is the Pulsar portable inverter generator. The Pulsar portable inverter generator provides 2,300 peaks and can run at half load up to 4.8 hours on just 1.18 gallons of gas. Its ultra-lightweight but incredibly sturdy design is ideal for outdoor power and entertainment use. In terms of size, it measures 19.7 by 11.22 by 17.91 inches and weighs 47 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Pulsar portable inverter generator a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 5-volt USB connector. A 5-volt USB connector allows you to charge electronics like phones and tablets quickly and easily. Contemporary design. It features a contemporary design that makes it ideal for generating electricity recreationally. Molded handle. You can easily carry the case thanks to the molded handle. Multiple LED indicators. It features multiple LED indicators that indicate when the generator is on overload, ready, or when the oil level is too low. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it runs rough at no or little load. The fifth portable inverter generator on our list is the PowerSmart portable inverter generator. The PowerSmart portable inverter generator is designed to make your life easier by providing reliable power. It comes with quiet technology, extended runtime, economy mode, and clean power. Plus, you can easily increase your power with the optional parallel kit. As for the size, it measures 21 by 14 by 20 inches and weighs 42.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the PowerSmart portable inverter generator a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 3,800 watts of power. This inverter generator can provide up to 3,800 watts of power when connected in parallel. Fuel shutoff feature. It has a fuel shutoff feature that will keep your generator running smoothly and prevent blockages. Portable and space-saving design. This gas generator features a portable and space-saving design that makes it easy to transport and store, making it ideal for use in the backyard or outdoors. Emergency backup power. It can be used as an emergency backup power source during a blackout. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it has only one outlet. The sixth portable inverter generator on our list is the WEN portable inverter generator. The WEN portable inverter generator produces clean electricity that is devoid of voltage spikes and drops, as well as the noise that a traditional generator produces. Overall, it has a surge power of 2,350 watts and a rated power of 1,900 watts. In terms of size, it measures 17.3 by 11.5 by 17.5 inches and weighs 39 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the WEN portable inverter generator a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 79cc 4-stroke OHV engine. The 79cc 4-stroke OHV engine operates at an extremely quiet 51 decibels at quarter load, which is quieter than a window air conditioner or the average conversation. Fuel shutoff feature. It has a fuel shutoff feature that stops the flow of gasoline, enabling the generator to use up the remaining fuel in the carburetor before shutting down automatically. Ultra-efficient 1-gallon tank. The ultra-efficient 1-gallon tank provides over 7 hours of half-load runtime. WEN parallel connection kit. A WEN parallel connection kit can effortlessly connect any two WEN inverter generators to share wattage across several units. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the WEN parallel connection kit is sold separately. The seventh portable inverter generator on our list is the Generac portable inverter generator. The Generac portable inverter generator lets you bring power wherever you go, from tailgating parties to camping trips, your workplace, and more. It boasts a sturdy and lightweight design that has been created with portability in mind. As for the size, it measures 23.7 by 18 by 21.7 inches and weighs 109.1 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Generac Portable Inverter Generator a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Power dial. The power dial combines the start, run, and stop functions into a single, easy-to-use dial. 2 engine speeds. You can select from 2 engine speeds depending on your needs to significantly reduce noise and fuel consumption, or to maximize power response. USB port. It comes with a USB port for charging mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. Enclosure design. The enclosure design provides optimal quiet performance. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is you must drain the oil in its entirety after the first 5 hours of initial use. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated portable inverter generators, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next portable inverter generator roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.